What? I wasn't recording. Damn it. Sorry.
Invited me.
I got no copyrighted.
Hang on, Sheldon.
That's heavy. Damn it. I thought I was recording. The DVR
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kennedy County in Deep Salt, Texas, western Willacy County in Deep Salt, Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging 60 miles per hour winds 6 miles northwest of Raymondville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Lasana, Eternia, Rudolph, Willamette, Porfirio. Severe thunderstorms can produce wind speeds strong enough to bring down trees and power lines of damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Persons outdoors or in vehicles should seek safety inside of 30 buildings until the storm passes. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report tornadoes or funnel clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
Be the maid of honor.
Oh my gosh. No one's ever asked me to be the maid of honor before. Oh.
It was